Okay, welcome back. You're going to watch this video for how to set up the trades on Kraken. Make sure you watch my previous video, which will be linked in this video here, hopefully coming up at some point in the screen, but make sure you click that. I'll give you a little overview of what this is. This is tradingview.com. Use my link below for your setup of TradingView account. But let's get over to Kraken and let's show you how Kraken works so you can do those trades. So let's click over there. Actually, we'll probably just close down TradingView. We don't need that now, do we? Okay, where is my cursor? Where is my... Here I am. I'm back. Right, let's just make me small and move me around. Okay, so this is Kraken. Kraken is the central exchange, the platform, the trading exchange that I like to use because of the levels of security that it has. I feel I just feel very pleased with like the level of security they use. We'll go into that in another occasion, but what we're going to do is we're just going to go into like how to actually do the trade for now. So when you first land in your account, you know, if you want to just buy crypto, you know, just buy it there on the spot. You set up your bank account, and then you'll be able to just go to the buy crypto button. You can instantly buy any crypto you want. And that's just at the spot price as it is right there, right then, that moment. So you just select whatever you want. Solana would be what we'll be buying today. I've already put some money in. So yeah, look, so £5 in. You can also change the pay with to add a card, credit card, etc. If you had dollars in there, you would have the dollars an option too. You can select an amount you want, or you can select, and it'll tell you how much SOL there will be, or you can select max, and then you've got all of it. But that's just buying, just straight out, just buy it. There, you're done. If you go to convert, you can swap. Once again, you can change your pounds or dollars into whatever. But equally, you could change crypto to crypto. So it doesn't, you know, the trading pair element of it doesn't really matter because it's a straightforward swap. And with straightforward swaps, you can just pair up most things on Kraken. So it's not an issue at all. It just comes out of the liquidity pools. But we are going to go to the trade button, and hopefully I can do this for you in the next 2 minutes. So you go to trade at the top left hand. You've got simple trade, and so you're obviously going to have buy. If you want to buy something, you're going to do sell. If you want to sell something, click etc. etc. It tells you here sell BTC with GBP, that's British pounds, or buy with British pounds. And then you can select how much Bitcoin you want. That is the price as it is right now. Or that's a limit price. Won't go into the details of that, but if you want to just do it like kind of directly price as it is right there, then you do the market price. A limit price would be something like buy at a fixed price. So you determine like, okay, when Bitcoin hits this amount of dollars or pounds, then kick it in. That's the simple version. The more advanced version, if you click the advanced, is then to select your pair. So click in, go to whatever currency you're using, and then type the crypto you want. So I'll do SOL, and then I can see I've got USD in SOL, and I've got British pound in SOL. So then you select whichever one it is you want to do. You select the trade button, and then it will kick you into set up for the trade. So you can see here that we've got it selected. We put in how much SOL we want to buy. We can set that up as so we can set it up as a limit order, which would be setting the price. We can do it as a market order, which is just the price it is right now. And then you have all these other things like take profits, stop losses, stop limits, all that kind of stuff. I don't know all that stuff in and out, but once again, check out the Pizzino brothers, check out Jason Pizzino, check out Michael Pizzino, and the link below for their form for their coming workshop on how to do trading. They'll be using Bybit and BitGet, which are trading platforms other than this. But yeah, if you sign up there, register with their links for those platforms, and then you will be notified of their workshops coming up for trading. I really like these two in terms of trading. I like the simple form of analysis. They're a part of my journey, though I'm not a trader. I really appreciate their information, where things are going within the markets on a daily basis. So make sure you check out the Pizzino brothers, Jason and Michael. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to share this video with your friends. Have a good day.